I'm Mike. I'm going to build some raised planter beds, one for a vegetable garden here and a couple behind the fence where I can grow flowers in the alley. I'm going to build the boxes out of cedar with angle irons for edges that I paint black, and then my friend Kyle's going to come and help me level out this area and remove some rocks and install them. Well, I got the basic box construction done. I'm going to leave the remaining assembly for tomorrow when Kyle and I put them in the beds. At that time, we'll screw together the top and bottom pieces with these construction lag screws. I've counterbored holes around all the areas where we're going to screw them in so that they'll sit flat, and that way I can screw these benches on top and the long edges. I'm also going to put this plant-based sealant on the inside to protect it from rotting from the soil being moist. And this is food safe, so it's okay to use this inside a vegetable garden. And then I've got this penetrating oil sealer I'll use for the rust on the outside faces because it looks a little nicer and it's a little more resilient. And then I'll also at that time attach the stakes and the middle brace that will hold it from buckling out with the weight of the soil. Well, that's it for building the planter boxes. Tomorrow we're going to plant the seedlings. Thanks for watching.